Children, in previous class we learned the best Christmas present in the world, which was written by Michael Marpurgo and working with language. Look at these sentences from the story. First one is completed. Now we are going to learn second bit. Fill in the blanks using the correct form of the verbs in the brackets. So here, before that, we are learn this two sentences. Let us know. When I reached the station, the train left, and when I reached the station, the train had left. So what are the difference between these two sentences? First one is, when I reached the station, the train left is in simple past. So here underline the verb forms reached and left. So these two verbs in simple past only. And second one, reached and had left. So here reached is the simple past verb form and had left is the earlier past. So earlier past is nothing but past perfect tense only. So means past perfect tense, when we are use past perfect tense, means if any actions in two actions in any sentence in the past, we can use had form for the event that occurred first in the past. So we also use the past perfect tense to show that something was wished for or expected before a particular time in the past. So here the train had left means already the train left at that place when I reached the station. So before we reached the station, already the train left. So the had left we can use in the first time in the first past perfect tense, means past tense. When the two actions in the past tense, we can use had form in the first time in the past tense. And second one is simple past. So here reached is the verb form of reach, past form of reach. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the verbs in the brackets. My little sister is very naughty. When she dash come back from school yesterday. So here we identify which tense it is by the clues. So yesterday is the clue of the simple past tense, means we can use here verb form simple past only. What is the structure of simple past? Subject plus V2 plus object. So here the verb is come. What is the verb forms of come? Come, came, come. So V2 is came. So V2 means past tense. And next, she had dashed tear her dress, means here had already there. So after had plus V3 means past perfect tense, means earlier past. So what is the past verb form of past perfect verb form of tear? Torn only. Okay. And next, third, we dash ask her how it had. So here asked only. So means some simple past only here we can use in this blank. How it had dash happen. So had plus V3. So what is the V3 form of happen? Happened only. So happened in fill this blank. She dash say. So here the verb form is say and said is the V2. So means simple past. And next, she dash and dash have quarrel with a boy. So here have and quarrel given the verb forms, and we can use the have verb form in past perfect tense had only. And next, V3 of quarrel form quarreled, had plus quarreled. And next, she dash and dash have beat. So here what is the verb here? Had plus V3 means beat, beaten we can use in this blank. Him in a race and he dash have and try. So had plus tried also V3 form. To push her, she dash and dash have or tell. So had plus told. And the teacher, and so he dash and dash have chased her, and she dash and dash have fall. Here have chase, have is changed in the perfect tense, had only. And next chase V3, chased only. Next have past perfect tense is had, and fall, fallen is the V3 form of fall. Down and had plus tear her dress means tear, V3 form is teared. So have plus teared. Okay children, underline the verbs and arrange them in two columns, past and earlier past. Here some sentences given. You identify which are past verb forms and which are earlier past verb forms. Already we learn which are past verb forms and which are earlier past verb forms. Earlier past verb forms is nothing but past perfect tense, means structure is had plus V3. So we can identify had plus V3 is the earlier past and remaining V2 means is past tense. My friends set out to see the caves in the next town, but I stayed at home because I had seen them already. So here set. So three verb forms only, set only. When next, but I stayed at home because I had seen them already. So here I had seen them already is action is past only, but the action completed past also in first time only, first action. Next I stayed is the second action. So stayed means past verb form means V2 and had seen is the earlier past tense. And second sentence, when they arrived at the station, the train had left. So here the train had left is the first action, so that is earlier first, and arrived is the past tense. And they came back home, but by the time I had gone out to see a movie. So had gone is the past, earlier past, and came is the simple past. And next, so they sat outside and at the lunch I had packed for them. So here underline sat and had packed. Had packed is action is completed in the first time, means in this sentence, and sat is the past tense, means second action. They sat outside and ate the lunch I had packed for them. So had packed is the earlier past. And last sentence, by the time I returned they had fallen asleep. So here had fallen action is first in the past tense and returned in the past tense only in second action. So return write in past column and had fallen write in earlier past. Okay children, and practice earlier past verb forms and past verb forms, and once read the text also.